The scientific method in social science is a systematic, empirical, and replicable process used to study human behavior, social systems, and institutions, such as crime, policing, courts, communities. Unlike the natural sciences, such as biology, chemistry, or physics, social science deals with complex human behavior. So the method is applied with attention to ethics, context, and variability. The social science method involves making observations, drawing a hypothesis from those observations, asking questions to test the hypothesis, drawing conclusions from the data we collect, drawing another hypothesis to explain our data, and then reporting the results. I am going to give a very brief overview of the empirical approach to research. We will actually be working on developing this for the rest of the semester. When we talk about empirical research, we're talking about research that makes systematic observations to collect new information. It sounds complicated, but it's actually something that we do all the time. It is simply the why, whom, how, and when questions we always ask. Only now we're asking those questions to collect data, to use that data to make analyses and to draw conclusions. The data we collect is either quantitative or qualitative, depending on the type of data that's collected and how we analyze it. Quantitative data involves analysis of numbers. Qualitative data is narrative in nature. Sometimes the data is both. That is when it's called mixed methods research. The two types of data collected in empirical research, quantitative and qualitative, are collected in two types of research activity. The two main types of empirical research are experimental research and non-experimental research. Experimental research is typically used when we are attempting to establish cause and effect relationships. You want to see if a particular treatment or intervention produces a certain effect. Experimental research involves direct engagement with the research subjects. In non-experimental research, the data is collected without giving a treatment or intervention. Sometimes it involves analysis of data that has previously been collected for some other purpose. We will explore all of this in more detail as the semester passes. To begin, however, we want to notice how we engage in research on a daily basis without even thinking about it. So you should now open assignment 1.